Hello and welcome to Alice's Garden Plate. I help viewers who are gardeners that love to cook utilize their entire harvest year round by garden planning, preserving methods, and recipes. If that interests you, like and subscribe. In today's episode, I'm going to be going over how to use organic methods when it comes to dealing with pests. The main reason that you want to have an organic method when it comes to dealing with pests with companion plants and natural pesticide that's plant-based is you want to create an environment that is safe for the beneficial bugs to come in. Remember, the beneficial bugs are the ones that are going to help you take care of the bad kind that are destroying your garden. So, if you had a synthetic chemical sprayed in your garden and stuff like that with the conventional method, it is going to have a set smell that the bugs that are beneficial know and they'll stay away. You want to have a natural-based, plant-based, so the beneficials will still come in. Companion plants are a fantastic way to help with pests in the garden. They are wonderful if they have flowers. This nasturtium here gives a nice smell that the pollinators like, and they come and want to be in your garden, so it attracts them. It also is a sacrificial plant. Certain things like aphids and other things like that want to go after that and not your plants, like a bean plant here. Marigolds are another companion plant that is fantastic for the garden. Ladybugs love them, so they will be attracted to your garden. Not only that, they repel certain things that I will list. The particular French marigolds that has the highest chemical, that is, and what it does is nematodes that go after your roots are killed by it, but it doesn't harm anything else like worms and things that are precious that you need for your garden. Having plants like cilantro, dill, and parsley in your garden is fantastic to attract hoverflies. Hoverflies are a really good beneficial bug for your garden, and how they help is they like your environment, they help pollinate the flowers and stuff like that, but if they want to be there, they will lay their eggs in your garden and their larvae will go to town on some aphids, which is fantastic. Bioinsecticide, what that is, it is naturally formed by bacteria and the compounds that come after. Arbor is a unique formula. It has a bacteria that is found in a Buddhist temple in Japan. When it grows, it has the compounds that will help from hindering of eating and development of the bug. Plus, it has the benefits of stimulating the plant with the root hair growth. Better roots, healthier plant. One of the other reasons that a bioinsecticide is really awesome, it's specifically targeted to go after certain bugs. So the pollinators and other beneficial bugs are not affected by that. Our precious bees are not hurt. When I mix the bioinsecticide Arbor, I use a Castile soap as a binder. I only use 1 tablespoon, even though they say use 2, because I go heavy when I spray. The peppermint that is inside of this soap will also be a hindrance. You want the gallon of water to have a binder, so therefore it attaches better to the plant. The better attachment to the plant, the more effective the pesticide will be. See how it's a nice stream? I have this on a continuous on, and I coat it until it literally drips. The idea is to attach it very well to the leaves and all parts of the plant, because it is little microscopic creatures that eat our things. So you want to make sure you really get this on those naughty bugs that you don't want. If you enjoyed today's episode, click that like button so therefore the algorithm will work in your favor. By subscribing to the channel, you will be notified of new content. Sally and I thank you very much for viewing.